Welcome to the MonaxaPROP tutorial video. We are going to show you how to sign for a challenge. First, open your Monaxa members area. From the left menu, select MonaxaPROP. Then choose Challenges. You will see for challenge tiers: $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, and $100,000. To view the challenge objectives and the scaling plan, simply click Buy Now on any tier. Now, let's buy your challenge. On your selected challenge page, click Buy. You will be redirected to the deposit page. Under Deposit Funds, choose your preferred payment method and deposit the required amount. Once your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation email with your challenge account, MT5 details, and the access link. After purchasing your challenge, here's how to start trading. In MonaxaPROP, go to the dashboard. Under Participations, select your active challenge. Scroll down and click the Account tab. Inside the Account tab, you can view your MT5 server, username, and password. Use these credentials to log into MT5 and start trading on your challenge account. To copy your password quickly, just click Copy Password. Track your challenge progress and criteria. Here's how to track your progress. Open MonaxaPROP, then go to the dashboard. Under Participations, select the challenge you want to review. You will see your trading statistics, overall progress, and a detailed breakdown of your objectives with the current status. You can also view your open positions and your trading history here. Please note, it may take a few minutes for new trades to appear after you open or close them on your MT5 challenge account. Thank you for choosing MonaxaPROP.